Okay, so we have 3 different calculators here, but we want to do always the same calculation. So the calculation, which will be the following. It's 30 times 2 plus 40 divided by 4 minus 20 times 3 divided by 2. So let's start with the easiest way. We would use the TI 82 stats or stats. So we would do 30 times 2 and then plus 40 divided by 4 minus 20 times 3, and then we divide the whole thing by 2. So the result would be 40, right? So you see that. Now, okay, now we would do the same calculation with my vintage calculator, the Texas Instruments 2552. So same calculation, 30 times 2, 60. We put that into memory. Now the next one would be 40 divided by 4, 10. We put that in memory. The next one would be 20 times 3. That is 60 now. And now finally we divide the 60 by 2. That's 30. We put that in negative memory. And if we push memory now you see we also have the same result, 40, using the memory function. Now let's do the same with a reverse Polish notation calculator. And you're going to see it's a little bit different here, but we are going to manage. So it's the same calculation, but this time it is 30, enter, important. Number 2, 2 times. Now we have 60 like we had before. Next thing, we are entering the number 40, enter. Next thing, the number 4, divide. Now we have 10. Now we hit plus, and now you see, now we have added 2 of them together. Next would be 20 in our calculation, enter. And we want to have that 3 times. So it's 3 times. Now we have 60. And now the final calculation would be 2. And now we divide. Now we have 30. And now we hit minus. And now you see the same result. It's always 40, but we did 3 different approaches. So we once used the memory function, or in this calculator where we could punch in the complete formula at once, or here we used the reverse Polish notation.